You guys are welcome back to the channel. Today I just want to quickly show you how to download videos on Thread. The easiest and the quickest way to download video on Thread. This works for desktop and for Windows. So let's say you want to download a video. I'm just going to look for a video. Let's say I want to download this particular video. So you come here, click on this arrow, this paper plane icon. So if it doesn't click like on the computer, so this is what I do. I click it open and I come to the URL here. I copy the link, close here, you can close it. Now I'm going to show you two sites to download videos from Thread easily. So you get that, come here and paste the link, which is threadsdownloader.com. Once you click download, it will rotate and wait for some few seconds. It say error downloading Thread. Now this site downloads Thread videos for you. Now if it doesn't work, I'm going to show you a very effective platform or site to download it. So this is what I use when that site doesn't work. This downloads almost all videos. So I'm just going to paste it. If it doesn't work here, then it's not going to be able to download the video anyway. So I just wait for it to load. You see, close, and this is your video here, and this is the video. Click download and you close this ad, and this is it downloaded. So if you just minimize this, I can drag it here for you guys to see, to show you that I'm not lying. So I'll click on it, open it up. So that's the video there. So that's basically it. So simple, so easy, straightforward. I hope this helped you. Let me know in the comment section. Smash the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.